Hi children, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to continue the same lesson, Sports Stars, section 3. So in the section 2, we have learned the Kabaddi player Usha Rani, isn't it? So in this video, we are going to learn the badminton player PV Sindhu. Okay, so let's move to the section 3. So before that, as usual, learn the glossary. கரஸ்பாண்டன்ட் ரிப்போர்ட்டர் நிருபர் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம் கரஸ்பாண்டன்ட் ஓகே ரிப்போர்ட்டர் நிருபர் தான் இங்கிலீஷில் கரஸ்பாண்டன்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் கமிட்மெண்ட் டெடிகேஷன் அர்ப்பணிப்பு நெவர் சே டை டோன்ட் ஸ்டாப் ட்ரைங் சிவிலியன் ஆர்டினரி பீப்புள் பொதுமக்கள் ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வாட் த glossary ஃப்ரம் த செக்ஷன் 3 ஸோ லெட்ஸ் மூவ் டு த லெசன் now children. The word badminton will instantly bring PV Sindhu in everyone's mind. So, children, when we pronounce badminton or when we are writing badminton, most of us using BAT. Okay, so that is wrong. Instead of that, we have to use BADMINTON. Okay, badminton. Okay, this is the correct word. This is the correct spelling. Okay, so when we think of this game, I suddenly think of PV Sindhu because she's very famous in playing badminton. PV Sindhu, she's from India, and she's very good in playing badminton. Okay, so when we think of badminton, in everyone's mind we will be thinking of PV Sindhu. Puzarla Venkata Sindhu is one of the two Indian badminton players to ever win a silver medal in 2017 Olympics. The other being Saina Nehwal, who has won a bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Okay, so in 2017, PV Sindhu won the silver medal in the Olympics. Okay, so in the same category, Saina Nehwal, she won the bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. Okay, so these two badminton players are very famous in India. Okay, so they are playing badminton very well, and also they got a lot of medals. They got a lot of they have got a lot of prizes. Sindhu came to international attention when she broke into the top 20 of the BFW, that means Badminton World Federation, in September 2012 at the age of 17. So when she became very popular around the world is when she played she broke the record, okay, and she broke into the top 20 of the பேட்மிண்டன் வேர்ல்டு ஃபெடரேஷன். இந்த பேட்மிண்டன் வேர்ல்டு ஃபெடரேஷனில் அந்த இதில் அந்த கணக்கீடில் அவங்க வந்து முதல் 20 ஆட்களில் அவங்க இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தேட் ஷி பிகேம் வெரி பாப்புலர் அரவுண்ட் த வேர்ல்ட் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பீப்புள் ஸ்டார்டட் நோட்டிசிங் ஹர் because she became a top 20 players around the world. Okay, because she plays badminton so well, so that she was noticed by everyone in the world. When she got this name, when she got on top of the 20 players is at the age of 17. Okay, at the age of 17 she got on into the top 20 players in the world. She's one of the top 5 shuttles in the women's singles category, and also she's one of the 5 shuttlers, okay, in the women's single category. இந்த நம்ம பார்த்துருப்போம் விமன்ஸ் அந்த சிங்கிள் கேட்டகரி விளையாடுவாங்க, பேட்மிண்டன் சிங்கிள் கேட்டகரி விளையாடுவாங்க. அதில் வந்து டாப் 5ல இவங்க ஒருத்தங்க இருக்கிறாங்க. டாப் 5ல இவங்களும் ஒருத்தங்க. யார்? பிவி சிந்து. இன் த சிங்கிள் கேட்டகரி, ஒரு ஆள் விளையாடுற அந்த கேமில் பேட்மிண்டனில் ஷீ இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த டாப் 5 ஷட்லர்ஸ் இன் த வேர்ல்டு இன் த விமென்ஸ் கேட்டகரி. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. Okay, when she started playing badminton at the age of 8. 8 வயசில் அவங்க விளையாட ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. Though her parents were professional volleyball players, Sidhu chose badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Pulila Gopichand, the 2001 All England Open badminton champion. So Sindhu chose badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Pulalal Gopichand. Okay, so PV Sindhu's parents are volleyball players. They were volleyball players. They were very famous in volleyball, and she doesn't want to become like them. She wants to become a badminton player. Okay, inspired by Pullela Gopichand. Okay, who is that guy? He's also from India, so he played for India in the badminton game, and she won the championship in 2001, which was held in England. which was held in England. இங்கிலாந்து நடந்த அந்த சாம்பியனில் அந்த பேட்மிண்டன் அந்த கேமில் இவர் வந்து ஒரு சாம்பியன் பட்டம் வாங்கினார். ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் ஷி வாஸ் இன்ஸ்பயர்ட். ஹூ வாஸ் இன்ஸ்பயர்ட்? PV Sindhu was inspired because of his outstanding game in the badminton, and also she was inspired by Pulala Gopichand. ஓகே, அவங்க புலலா கோபிசாந்தால் அவர் தான் இவருக்கு ஒரு ரோல் மாடல். யாருக்கு? PV சிந்துக்கு யார் ரோல் மாடல்னா புலலா கோபிசாந்த், பிகாஸ் he is also a badminton player. Okay, so because of him she wants to become a badminton player. Sidhu first learned the basics of the sports with the guidance of Mehboob Ali. Okay, actually she started, I told you already, because of Pulala Gopichand, she was inspired, isn't it? So that she wants to learn badminton, and she started learning the basics of sport with the guidance of மெஹபூப் அலி. மெஹபூப் அலின்றவர் வந்து யாருக்கு ட்ரெயின் பண்ணுறாருன்னா PV சிந்துக்கு ட்ரெயின் பண்ணுறாரு. த பேசிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் பேட்மிண்டன், அந்த பேட்மிண்டன் பேசிக்ஸை யார் சொல்லி தரதுன்னா மெஹபூப் அலி. Then she joined Bullalal Gopichand's badminton academy. So after learning that basics, she went to Gopichand's academy, badminton academy, to learn more about the game. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து மொஹமலால் அபி அவர்கிட்ட வந்து பேசிஸை கற்றுக்கிட்டாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஷி வென்ட் டு புலலாஸ் கோபிசாந்த்ஸ் பேட்மிண்டன் அகாடமி. ஸோ ஹூ இஸ் கோபிசாந்த்? So he was a badminton player of India, and he played for India in many games, isn't it? And also he conferred a lot of championship. Okay, so after that she went to the Pulala Gopichand Badminton Academy to learn more about the game. While profiling Sindhu's career, a correspondent with the Hindu wrote. Okay, so to learn more about the Hindu wrote. The Hindu is a newspaper. It published about PV Sindhu. Okay, what it says is, the fact that she reports on time at the coaching camps daily, traveling a distance of 56 kilometers from her residence, is perhaps a reflection of her willingness to fulfill her desire to be a good badminton player with the required hard work and commitment. So what the newspaper says is, the fact that she reports on time at the coaching camp every day. Okay, so when she started learning about the badminton game, she came to the spot. She came to the camp every day on time. Okay, she did not come late. Okay, she comes to the camp every day on time. She reaches the camp every day on time. She doesn't come to the camp lately. So because of that, I was traveling a distance of 56 kilometers from her distance. So every day she travels 56 kilometers to reach the camp to get training. Okay, so how long she has been traveling? She has been traveling 56 kilometers every day to reach the camp to get training. Okay, so in perhaps a reflection of her willingness to fulfill her desire to be a good badminton player with the required hard work and commitment. So because of her hard work and commitment, she fulfilled her dream. She fulfilled her desire. Desire na avங்களுடைய ஆசையும் இருக்கட்டும், அவங்களுடைய கனவு இருக்கட்டும், அதை அவங்க ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணணுன்றதுக்காக she worked hard. She worked hard, and also her commitment is outstanding. So she became very popular because of her outstanding commitment and hard work. So she comes to the camp every day without missing on time, and she travels 56 kilometers every day from her residence, and perhaps her willingness, ஒரு ஆர்வம், ஓகே, டிசைர், ஆசை, ஒரு எப்படி இதெல்லாம் ஆசை, ஒரு பேட்மிண்டன் பிளேயராக வரணும், அந்த ஒரு கனவை என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்க ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க, அண்ட் கமிட்மெண்ட், ஒரு டெடிகேஷனோட. Gopichand seconded this opinion. Gopichand says about PV Sindhu. Let's see what he says. The most striking feature in Sindhu's game is her attitude and a never say die spirit. So the Gopichand, who is Gopichand? So I told you already, he was the inspiration for PV Sindhu, isn't it? So what he says about PV Sindhu is, he noticed a lot from her. So what he has noticed from her is, the most striking feature is Sindhu's game is her attitude. அவங்களுடைய அந்த ஆட்டிடியூட் அவங்களோட அந்த கேரக்டர், அவங்களுடைய அந்த குணம், அண்ட் ஆல்சோ she says never say die spirit. And also அவங்க என்ன பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, எதையும் வந்து அவங்க என்ன பண்ண எவ்வளோ கஷ்டமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, she never stop trying. She never stop trying. Okay, she keeps trying. அவங்க எப்பவுமே எவ்வளோ கஷ்டமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, அது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருந்தாலும் அதை வந்து விட மாட்டாங்க. She kept trying until get succeeded in the particular work. Okay, so that's her outstanding character. Okay, attitude. So who says about her like this means the Gopi Chand, the trainer who trained her to play the badminton, isn't it? So because of him, she was trained very well, and she started playing the badminton in an outstanding way. So, despite PV Sindhu being busy with training schedules and international tournaments, she managed to attend a regular school until class 9. So, even though she was very busy with playing badminton, she uh, she gave importance to education as well. Okay, she gave importance to education as well. Okay, she participated in both the games and the education. Okay, she gave preference to the both the games and uh, education. So she completed till ninth standard until ninth standard. She studied until ninth standard in a regular schooling. Okay, after which she her classes were through correspondence. அந்த ஒன்பதாவது வரைக்கும் படிச்சாங்க. After that she studied everything in the correspondence. Correspondence அது வீட்டில் இருந்தபடியே விளையாடிக்கிட்டே படிக்கிறது. ஸோ நம்ம ஸ்கூலுக்குலாம் வர தேவையில்ல. We can stay at home, and then we can study everything without going to school. That is called correspondence. So because she was so busy with playing the badminton, no, so that she could not have time. She could not have time to go to school, so that she did all her education in the correspondence. Okay, she did balance both her passion as well as her academics, and her holds a bachelor's degree in commerce BCom. So because of that, she did balance both her passion as well as her academics. Okay, she gave importance to both the games and education. So and because of that, she holds a bachelor degree in commerce. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு காமர்ஸ் அந்த பேச்சுலர் டிகிரி முடிச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. பிகாம்னா பேச்சுலர்ஸ் டிகிரி. அதை அவங்க படிச்சுட்டே, அதாவது விளையாடிக்கிட்டே அவங்க அந்த டிகிரியை முடிச்சிருக்காங்க. யார்? PV Sindhu. After joining Gopi Chand's badminton academy, Sindhu won several titles. She has won many awards as well as cash grants for her contribution, and among them, these 3 awards were conferred on her by the Indian government. So she got a lot of medals, lot of money, lot of several titles because of her outstanding playing in the badminton, because of her outstanding commitment in the badminton. So she won a lot of things. Okay, and also the government of India conferred on her a few awards. What are they? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India, 2016. Okay, so Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is giving it has to be given to the sports players. It is only for sports players and who plays games well. This award will be given to them. Okay, so she got this award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, in 2016. Okay, by the government of India. And Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award of India, 2015. And after that she conferred another award called Padma Shri. ஸோ பத்மஸ்ரீன்றது வந்து சிவிலியன், அதாவது பொதுமக்களுக்கு வழங்கக்கூடிய ஒரு அவார்ட். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஷி காட் த 4th highest civilian award in 2015. Okay, that is called Padma Shri. Arjuna Award in 2013. Arjuna Award is given to the sports persons. So, and also she got that Arjuna Award in 2013. Okay, children. So these 3 awards are very very important. So keep that in your mind. It will be asked in your exams as well. Okay. So listen, children. This is what about PV Sindhu. Okay. So in this lesson, we have learned about 3 women sports players, isn't it? First, we have seen about Mithali Duraraj. She is a women cricket player. She won a lot of titles. She won a lot of good names. And another, in the section 2, we have learnt about Usha Rani. She is a kabaddi player. She also won a lot of medals in the Olympics for India. Finally, we have learnt about PV Sindhu, the badminton player. So these three women are very these three women are very role model to all the women in the world, to all the women in our country. So we should take them as our role model, and then we should go towards our aim. Okay, even though you are a girl, you should not avoid it. Okay, so you should go towards your aim. Okay, so we should take them as our role model, and then we have to achieve it. Okay, so this is what the lesson. Okay, children, thank you for watching.